In this world, most people use Windows. If you are true, you will learn something new. Even if you are not, let's go to the topic. You might know that you can use Android apps inside Windows.
But it needs Windows 11.
Not actually. You can literally have a mobile inside your PC. You can download many Android apps and play Android games, even Play Store. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed yet, just punch that red beast before this intro ends. This is your Nafin Basics from Nafin Island. Today we are going to use Bluestacks 5 for this, and then we are going to make it like a mobile.
Hey, then what about game?
Yes, I will show you how to install and play from Play Store. So let's start installing Bluestacks. Bluestacks has recently released their 5th version of Bluestacks app. That's what we are going to install today. So first open your browser and search for Bluestacks. Now I'm in their official website, and clicking on this See All version button will redirect you to this page.
This is little bit harder for me.
I know that everything is hard to you, so you can try the link I have given in the description. Now click on this Nugget 64-bit download button and it will download an installer. And I have already downloaded this Bluestacks file, so let's try. Okay, it will ask for administrator access before the installer start. It's saying update because I have already installed it. Oh no,
Why? What happened?
I don't have enough internet to download it, so I will come tomorrow.
The next day.
Okay, I have opened this installer. Let's update. Oh no, I don't have enough storage for it. I have tried to move it to a new drive, but I couldn't find a way for it. So
So,
I uninstalled the whole Bluestacks 5 program. You will need about 1 GB internet if it does not crash.
what does that mean?
You will see it. Let's open it, and now I have changed the drive. It has about 150 GB of free space.
The next day. 6 months later.
2,000 years later.
Why it stopped there?
I don't know. Oh no, download failed. I'm going to try once again.
Looks like it's going to crash again.
Shut up, useless APK. Wait, I don't give up there. I'm going to try once again. But if this fails, I think it's because I just uninstalled the Bluestacks 5. But an application called Bluestacks X still exists. So I will try after uninstalling it. For now, let's wait until it finishes. If you feel bored, click the subscribe and like buttons and enjoy yourself. It failed again. Now wait a moment until I uninstall that Bluestacks X.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's try it.
Run.
So the download has finished. Now it will start installing it. This might take more time than downloading.
1 semester later.
Now it's booting up. I can feel that Bluestacks 5 is more faster than 4. Now go to Bluestacks settings and turn on on-screen FPS. It will help you to view the FPS rate. Here is the Play Store. Now you have to sign in with a Google account to install games.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Okay, now I'm going to install Payback 2 and let's try it. It's opening. Wait, no, you can't directly use your keyboard to play. You should use these game controls for that. Click on this and select the place that you want to make a click, then press a button on your keyboard. Now you will be able to use your keyboard. And don't worry, these keys will be turned off when you leave this app. Now it's time to change the UI like a mobile. For that, you have to install these 3 apps. First one, Super P Launcher. The second one is One Shade app. The last one is optional, this EMUI launcher.
Okay, why that Super P launcher?
Nice question. You can change the icon and it will give your OS a new look. It will ask you for some permissions, turn on it or select Super P launcher if it asked you to select. This One Shade app is for these controls. It makes this really like a mobile, so you can use this and live stream in your gaming YouTube channel.
Thanks for the tip.
Okay, now here it is. If you enjoyed this video, hit a like and make me happy. If you think this might help your friends, then share this and make others happy.
To make me happy, click that red beast subscribe button.
Also join our Discord and Facebook to stay touched with us. So see you all my Nafin citizens in a new video. Until bye bye from Prince Fauzan.
Don't be confused, it's him.